Using a Chalk Talk thinking routine, Natalie's students rotate through 5 stations, exploring the different globes at each station. A Chalk Talk invites students to think, make connections, and to question. The learning goal for this activity is to support students developing an understanding of climatic zones of the Earth. During the consolidation activity at the end of the Chalk Talk, Natalie brings their questions and observations forward and asks students to reflect on their thinking journey. For example, one observation that a student made was that the globe has lines going in both directions around the circumference. Natalie uses this observation to introduce a discussion about lines of longitude and latitude and how climatic zones are organized within. Où sont les régions climatiques? This is an example of the role of explicit teaching in an inquiry classroom. The factual information about climatic zones is introduced in the context of their questioning and learning following an inquiry activity. An opportunity to integrate math curriculum expectations is available when Natalie introduces the measurement concept of temperature. Using the question, dans quelle région climatique est situé Guelph et pourquoi? In which climatic region is Guelph located and why? Natalie uses guiding questions to bring them to the purpose of the next activity using a new guiding question, qu'est-ce qui distingue les régions? To support her students making connections between Guelph's climatic zone and different regions of the world, Natalie's students view different photos of homes around the world and classify the photos according to the categories she has given them for classifying: froid, tempéré, et chaud. They are instructed to make observations about the environment and landscape around each home. Using their observational data, the students justify their classification of each photo into one of the 3 categories. When consolidating their learning, Natalie's students refer back to the guiding question, qu'est-ce qui distingue les régions? And work collaboratively to provide a statement of understanding about regions and climate. Their statement of understanding mirrors the big idea from the curriculum. The important thing to note about this inductive process is that students arrive at a meaningful understanding of content through exploring and higher order thinking activities like classifying and justifying.